Hey guys, in today's video I want to do a quick follow-up on a previous video where after we set up a walk cycle for a character, we attempted to move him forward. Now, I just recently watched a video by a channel that I really enjoy, and the channel is by Mark Masters, and Mark is actually a professional senior animator, and in one of his videos he's giving away an amazing animation tip in Maya on how you can properly translate your characters forward once you create walk cycles or run cycles. So you can definitely check out Mark's channel, but for this video I just want to see if I can recreate what Mark is showing in his video. Alright you guys, so here's the file of the walk cycle that we previously did, and you can find this video on my channel as well, and he's currently just simply walking in place, right? So the challenge is, let's attempt to move him forward infinitely, and let's see if we can get his feet to perfectly match with the ground as he's walking forward. How do we do that? So I'm gonna see if I can recreate what Mark showed in his video. All right, so I'm gonna select his left foot, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna simply track the speed of this initial position. So to do this, I'm gonna go to the graph editor, and let's just simply click on Translate Z, right? And we can see his left foot is being translated on Z from 0 to 18, right? His left foot is kind of sliding back, and that's going to be about the speed that I need to copy of him moving forward, right? So how do we do this? So I'm going to select both of these keys right here, and I'm going to go to Edit, Copy, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the main ground controller, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press S on the first keyframe, right, to set the key for the ground controller. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to choose Translate Z only, and then I'm going to do Edit, Paste. Now when I pasted this, right, this is going to paste the values or the curve from the left foot onto the actual ground controller, and you can see what that looks like. If we try to move this, you can see that the speed is there, right, the speed of the foot is there, but it's backwards. So what we need to do is we need to reverse the motion of this curve. To do this, I'm going to select this curve, go to Edit, and then go to Scale, and go to Options. And in here, if I reset this, what we need to do is we need to change this value, the scale value, from 1 to -1. And then if I press Apply, you can see the curve has flipped, which means now the character is going to be walking forward instead of backwards, right? And you can see now that the foot is perfectly planted on the ground, okay? All right, so that's pretty cool. If I go back to 0 and press play, you can see what that looks like, but then obviously the animation stops after frame 18. So we need to loop this, right? So what I'm gonna do is instead of saying post infinity cycle, I'm gonna click on this new button called post infinity cycle with offset. So once we do a post infinity with offset, that means the character is gonna continuously move forward, right? As the loop continues. So let's go back to 0 and let's see if that's true. And as you watch the controllers here, you see the whole concept, right? The concept is that his foot is matching the speed of the ground. So it's not moving constantly. You can see it's kind of moving sporadically, and that is going to create an illusion of his feet being planted on the ground. So amazing, amazing trick, animation trick by Mark. And I'm definitely going to be using this from now on. If I increase my timeline and go back to 0 and press play, you can see that I can have this guy literally walk infinitely, and I don't have to worry about my timing or the feet matching the ground. It's going to automatically kind of copy those values, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So once I saw this, I had to share with you guys. I'm sure that you will find it helpful as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in our next video.